Yo, what's up guys, I'm JustCrazey, and in this video I thought I'd show you how I record. So first thing I do is I come down here and I open XSplit, which is my recording software. Click game capture. This is where I record my videos. You got your settings here, you got your mic volume, you got your default speakers. Go on your settings, go over to general. This doesn't matter too much. Most people use OBS to record their screen, but I don't. I use this. Select default speakers for your system sound, microphone default, because otherwise it messes with the audio, messes it out of sync. Hit apply. And what you can do over here, change your hotkeys. I don't really use them. I use one for the couple scenes, and then I use one for recording. And then you can actually hook up your channel. And you can also hook up your Twitter, or I don't know what that is, player.me, I don't know what that is. Go over to advanced. This doesn't matter too much. This is what I use for that. I don't really enable anything. Usually I'll have my sources down here, so it's set out kind of like OBS, a little bit different. Go to devices, go to video, and you can add your webcam or your capture cards for like consoles like Elgato and all that. Then we've got screen capture. So this displays right now the desktop. Go to game capture and it will auto detect whatever game you've got on full screen. And then once I've got this, I use my mic for this and my game sound. But if I go over to my recording and then go over to, I would go over to my settings usually, but it's not letting me. So you can actually record multiple audio tracks. So when you put it into the editing software, it will split your microphone, and it'll also split the sounds coming out of like either your speakers or your headset. So that helps me determine how loud my voice and how loud the game sound is. If I minimize this, I change the OBS to face cam, so I use this for my webcam. What I'll usually do, this would normally work, so what I'd normally do, open this, have my face on here. Wait, let me close XSplit first. Oh, let's not do that because I'm recording. So I'd usually have my webcam here, but for the time being we'll use scene 2. There we go, there I am. Turn my light on. So this depends. I don't usually use webcam on this, but it's rare. So what I'll do is I'll come over to OBS over here. I'll have my webcam full screen, hit start recording, and then I'll start recording on XSplit. Now what I'll do is I'll clap at the start of the video so I can sync my audio and my webcam together, and then there we go, it's all sorted. So it's pretty easy. And then I use Premiere Pro for my editing. So let's open that. And I go to file, normally create a new one, so I'll just go with new. I'll name it test 1. Leave all of this as it is. You don't need to mess with any of these settings here. Hit OK. What I'll do, import my media into this file here. So if I hit import, you've got obviously my exports, my thumbnails, all that sort of stuff. Import it into there. You'll get the timeline here where you edit stuff and you can cut it. With this tool, you got the selection tool. This has been playing up with me since I downloaded it, but I'm gonna keep using it because I've found a fix. But yeah. And then after I've done all of that, you can obviously, if you don't want to edit your video, you can upload straight from the software, the XSplit software, but I don't recommend doing that because obviously you can't edit your video. This comes with its own video editor, so you can actually edit your videos after you record them from here. But I don't use it because all it's got on it is cutting and all that stuff. There's no transitions, no effects, nothing like that. So that's about it. Yeah, that's how I record my videos. If you want me to upload any more like this, give me a shout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Like the video. See you on the next one. Peace.